Hello po, Agatha Gregorio po from ABS-CBN News. For your Admiral Roy po, can you just tell us how alarming po is it for the country yung sinabi niyo nga pong may academe discussions on part of Batanes or Batanes supposedly belonging to China po?
We have become used to their jokes. They will come up with any narrative to push forward. Ang importante dito, there must be stronger pushback from our side. We will expect that they will come up with different stories, different narratives, different disinformation to push their agenda. Last time, let's look at Baho de Masinloc. 9-dash line, kanila Baho de Masinloc, debunked by the Arbitral Tribunal ruling. Next na sinabi nila, nature reserve. Very strong pushback natin. They started putting up equipment there. We could do the pushback nila kanilang floating equipment. And then they come up with a story that may bagong species ng corals. They will keep changing the narrative to their advantage. Ngayon, nilabas naman nila yung forum kahapon na yung Batanes ang kanila. I will not be surprised if they will start claiming Jupiter, Mars, and Saturn. It's a joke, but there has to be a strong pushback from the Philippine side. That's why it's very important yung awareness ng bawat Filipino. We have communications plan Mulak on awakening. We have the transparency initiative. We have our partners and allies saying the same thing. Ang maniniwala lang naman sa sinasabi ng Chinese Communist Party, yung mga kaalyado nila mga Pilipino.
Okay po. And then your thoughts lang po on China's ambassador to the Philippines proposal for a common fishing area in Bangladesh.
I'm not being political here, but I would like to highlight the statement of the Secretary of National Defense. Before we even talk to them seriously on that proposal, they first have to leave our maritime domain. Yung illegal presence nila ay naandyan pa rin. For last month, we monitored 74 different ships of the Coast Guard and the Navy, intruding or staying in our maritime zones, in our exclusive economic zone. 74 different ships. Before we even sit down and talk with them seriously, umalis muna sila sa ating maritime zones.